Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and where am I at? I'm in Texas. That's right, I'm at the Keystone Big Show in Texas, and I'm here to show you the latest and greatest new products. And what do we have here? Well, we got the Truxedo Pro 15 with the built-in T-slot. That's right, this has a built-in T-slot. Come on over here, let's get a good look here what I'm referring to. Basically, I'm gonna open up so you can see the T-slot is not an add-on, it is built into the rail here. And let's take a good look. As you can see, that is one piece here. So they're not added on. This comes all together like this. Now, as you know, I've been selling Truxedo products for a couple decades now. Lots of videos of the product, and I'm looking forward to this. This is actually out now. So if you've seen this video and you want to buy from C&H Auto Accessories, you can get it now. Let's go ahead and open this all the way up. Now, there's also a couple other things. Now, this is a soft cover, and this is a low profile. So it opens all the way up here. One thing a lot of people like about this, you're not losing any space whatsoever in the bed here. If you want to get full access to the bed, this cover lets you do it. Also, take a good look at the racks attaches. These are the new Real Truck ones. They are not quite out yet. The cover is, but these are not. These will be a quick release. Basically, you push a little button, they pop right off. So they're coming out soon. I'm looking forward to selling these. These do have a 300-pound weight capacity per one. So you're looking at 600 for two of them. Now that is evenly distributed. Every time you hear that weight, you have to take that into account. But again, take a good look here. That Pro 15, great cover. If you're looking for a really high-end but reasonably priced soft cover, this is it. And again, you can use the racks. You can put all kinds of stuff on here, just like in this one you're looking at here. Very easy to use. If you notice, those racks do not at all interfere with me opening and closing the cover. And that's what's really nice about this. Again, reasonably priced. You'll like the price of this. This is available as of, you see this video, you can get this cover, racks a little longer. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and I'm coming from the Texas show, the big Keystone Big Show. And don't forget, hit that like button. We really appreciate it. And I will put a link of this product at the bottom of this YouTube video. So if you say, hey, you know what, I like that, let me see how much it is. And you can go check on the link, or of course call us at the store. I'll go ahead and put all the information to the store at the bottom of this video. And you can come to our store. We do have a beautiful brick and mortar store, or we can ship it anywhere in the country. As you know, we ship to every single state. We take care of Alaska, we take care of Hawaii, we even take care of places that are not Puerto Rico, and some Canada stuff. Not a lot, okay? But again, I'm Chris with C&H, and don't forget, hit that like button. Thanks.